Hello guys, hope you are doing great. I've started a series about Visual Studio IDE and debugging process and the tools inside this Visual Studio which are useful in debugging. And in this video, I'm going to explain about call stack. And call stack is most underrated window here, which is quite overlooked. So this is very helpful to a programmer or a developer who is debugging all the time. So let us see how we can utilize call stack. Okay, for this video I have attached this this code to the front end, and so that I can start the debugging session. So this debugging session is when I trigger a report, that method gets executed and the breakpoint will stop here. So let us see what is call stack. See, I randomly put the breakpoint here. Randomly in the sense, we know how to, in our case, I'm debugging a report. We know as a standard rule of thumb, we know how to identify a report on the DP. I identified it, and I know for each report, the execution starts at process report, right? So I randomly put a breakpoint here. But how does how does the execution comes here? From where it comes here? Do we know that flow? People normally don't. But using the call stack, you will know that flow. If you click on call stack, you see this is the execution flow that has been happening. You see this yellow arrow? This represents the current cursor of execution. Okay, let me pin this and change the, will it increase? No, it won't increase the size of this. Okay, so each line in this call stack gives us the information about from the class name and the method name where the execution has passed. That means you see here, we are right here, the yellow cursor, and it is giving this dynamics application suite. Okay, ignore it. Net module, ignore it. Dynamics AX application, ignore it. Purge purchase order DP. This purge purchase order DP is the class, and process report is the method currently this execution cursor is in. And before that, from where the cursor came here, it is right before our current execution. From here, this class and this method, a call has been made to process report of the previous class, what we have seen. Again, if you come here, from where it came here again, you can see this is the flow. That means a call has been made from the outside and came here first. Execute RDB preprocessor service asynchronously. It started here, and this is external code which we cannot debug, and before this is an internal call. Okay, let's start with the unbreaking flow. The flow has been broken here, broken here. Okay, let's start from here. Mostly it is like this. You can go all the black lines. These are grayed out lines, right? Gray lines. You can go this from here. It called this call static, and this intern called some external code which we cannot debug. That's why it is grayed out. And that external code again called this method, and this method again called this method, so on and so forth. That is how the execution is happening. Okay, so as soon as we finish execution of this highlighted thing, we go back here. Let us see what is this SRS reporter and RDP preprocess strategy. This is the class, and execute is the method. We have, after finishing this preprocess report, we have to fall back to this execute method. Let us see whether we fall back or not. Okay, F10, 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 F10 and F10. You see, now the process report is gone. Now we came back to the previous method, execute of SRS report run RDP preprocess strategy. This is the class. The previous call is gone. Again, once you are done with this, again that execute is gone. We came back to the previous method. Again, if you just want to come out of this method again, one line will be reduced. Again, step out, one line will be executed. So this is the significance of call stack. Call stack will give you the code execution flow. Code execution flow. You understand? And it is important for a developer to know about call stack because it lets you know from where the process has started and where you are and what is your relative position in the code from the starting point of the execution. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.